Okay, guys, this is the second tool I am talking about, which is related to the data archival from NoSQL to NoSQL, which means in our case is MongoDB to MongoDB data archiving. So, same interface I am using in this tool, and but two different special feature I have added in this data tool. So let me provide sample on it. Same we are going to call the jar, but this time this is the different jar we are calling here, because this is a separate project I have developed for the IoT to IoT or NoSQL to NoSQL data transfer or data archiving. So you can see the change: serotonin MongoDB to MongoDB data archival, and this is the same. It is asking about the password of admin, and it is showing the same thing. This is NoSQL source server, and this is also the target server, which is in our case is MongoDB. So this is going to be transfer the data from one source MongoDB server to the target MongoDB server. And these are the this is the archive parameter, which is telling that on which date we have to archive the data before the date has been defined here. So, and this is the same parameter as in our previous tool, on which host process is going to be execute, and this is the configuration file, this is the log file, and now these are the two logs I have added in this uh, tool: data file, data log file, and error log file. Suppose we have a log different log files during the process. If the process is going to be huge amount of data, so there are several log files, and each log file is around 22 MB or maybe 200 300 MB. It depends on the size of log file. So we have to face difficulties to find the error in the log file. So I have created a separate error log file, which is contain only the error of the process, and this is the data log file if we need the backup of the data before transferring from one database to another. So this will create the backup of the data in the JSON format, and these are the same parameters: log mode enable or not, data log mode enable or disable, error log mode enable or disable, and delay is the same as we defined in the earlier tool. And operating system is Windows. Yeah, okay. And this is the same interactive mode, yes or no. So I am going to say yes. Now data has been started to transfer from MongoDB to MongoDB. How much, this is showing how much error is occurred during the process, how much time has been is being started the process, and this is the process rate, and this is the completion, 100% completion currently. Remaining documents, process document, total documents, it is going to be processed. So this process is now completed. So I am going to start this process again on the data log mode, so you guys can see how his data is going to be backup here. This is our configuration file. I have enabled the data backup here, and now I error log as well, increase the days of archiving. Okay, and same interactive and password I have provided. Now I am going to pass password again. Now first it is taking the backup. Now you can see preparing the backup and creating the backup file. Now we go to the particular folder, that is the data log folder, and this is the backup we have created right now in the JSON format. So I don't want to take the back. I don't want to execute further this process, so I am going to put end.